Greenwood Conservation Area. Well, good day everybody, welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here, and I'm with Mr. Joel, and we are on the EUCs here checking out the Greenwood Conservation Area, which kind of is north of the Pickering region. Is that what it is?
Yeah, Pickering Ajax, yeah.
Pickering Ajax, north of Pickering Ajax. It's got a couple of like really nice highway trails there and stuff like that, so it'll be pretty simple. I don't know if it's going to go into single track, but there are a couple of little places that you're looking in the trail map there that might be some fun. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to go have some fun on the EUCs.
It says there are 9 trails in the Greenwood Conservation Area that allows e-bikes.
Okay.
So check the e-bike trails listing. So we should be good.
We should be okay.
Always want to be legal, right?
Got to be, yeah. Check yourself before you wreck yourself, buddy.
Yeah.
I got my water. Did you bring some water with you?
Yeah, in my backpack.
Oh, okay. You don't. Yeah. I thought you had a hydro pack last time.
Yeah, I forgot it. Yeah, it's. You know, you wash it, I put a little bit of Javex and water in it, just to kind of decontaminate it. And
yeah.
Then, I forgot it.
But vodka works good for decontaminator.
No,
All right, let's go check out the Greenwood Conservation Area. You kind of had a little bit of a glimpse of the trail itself. I think we got to kind of go to the northbound a bit, right?
Yeah, so this is south, north, and this is east, so we're kind of going northeast, and we should get
into the entrance. Okay, sounds like a plan. We'll check it out. We know where the car is, so that's the most important thing, right?
We're almost out of gas, though. Oh no, no gas.
Almost out of gas. Yeah. Ooh, we got some washouts. So. Ooh, it almost looks like single trail.
Oh,
cool.
Over there, yeah.
Should we check? Are we gonna go? We're going this way?
I would go that way over here.
Which way?
Right.
Right or left?
Right.
Right? Okay.
That looks like a big dip over there.
Let's go down the cavern of craziness. All right, a couple of washouts. So
Super.
So the things that we were doing with the V9, and now you can do it with this. That's cool.
Let's go this way, northeast, right? So.
Yeah. Keep kind of heading northeast. So. Sweet. So Greenwood Conservation Area was founded back in the days of Mr. Laval as he
the first settlers.
As the first settlers on their EUCs, crowning the land. This is my land. Get the fuck off.
Well, you know who this belongs to before, right?
See, this is this kind of stuff that we absolutely love doing on dirt bikes and adventure bikes and stuff like that, but we can't do it, we're not allowed. But with this, you're allowed, right? Yeah, nice and slow. See what it's like.
There's a little place
uncharted territory. Ooh, nice climb.
This?
Yeah, do it. Take your time, watch yourself, okay?
You never say no, eh?
Check yourself. No, I never say no. Check yourself before you wreck yourself, man. Yeah, keep off those baby rocks. All right, he's okay. You're good. You're good.
I'm good.
Yeah, sometimes when you got way too much trail like this, it becomes kind of like a...
You just go by direction at that point, right? Like just...
Right? Yeah.
That looks all right here, Rob.
Yeah, well, I think this probably comes almost to the same. Let's check this one out here. Nice and tight up, no problem. Oh, I see an opening up here.
Okay. Oh man, that's a cliff. That's not an opening.
Just watch the first step. The first jump is a little bit doozy, okay?
You're not going down there.
Okay, no. Okay.
No, there's no way, man. Dude.
Okay. What?
We're above the trees.
Okay.
No. Yeah, I wouldn't even walk down there.
Okay, let's go that way. Okay. Rip and dip.
No, 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 no. No good
What?
for me.
Huh?
No good. No. No.
What? It's only
This looks no good to me, man. Look at that.
Okay.
It's death on either side.
Death on either side, eh?
No?
I don't know. Let's go check it out.
I won't be able to carry your body.
No? Okay. It's not bad, actually. It's a tight trail, but it's not going to get us anywhere really. So let me just go a little bit more and see what happens. Just give me 2 seconds. Like, I don't know if it settles back down into another trail or not, or oh, are you behind me? Oh no, okay, you're back down at the bottom. Okay, I can see you. I can see you. All right, keep going, trekking that way. I'm going to trek it this way. I'll see what happens. I'm sure we got to eventually meet. You're still on my left? Yeah, okay. I don't know. Who says a hospital? I don't need a hospital. Okay, where are you? There you are. Okay, keep going to the right. Okay, here. Yeah. There we go. All right, go down here. Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. No, stop it from rolling. Okay, we're done for these trails, man. Oh, I do not want to answer to your wife and be responsible for your
No. Oh,
for
man.
your yeah, no, we're done.
For some reason.
Yeah. That's it. We don't know where we're going. We're lost. We're camping out. Get ready to Brokeback Mountain. I thought it's down there. Back here. Yeah. This is the part here.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, because I remember the bigger, steeper hill on this side. So. Oop. Still got me there? Yeah. Okay. No. Oh, Bluetooth private intercom.
I could hear you.
Yeah, my headset hit a branch. So. All right. We did come up this way. Yes, we did. There we go. There you go. This is more like the Victoria Rail Trail. There's a single track on the left. Let's kind of do this for a bit and see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, these are easy trails. Nice. All right, Trans-Canada Trail. Oh, now we're getting back into single track. That never lasts long, does it, eh? Oh yeah, no, this is cool. Rocks and the baby heads and the boulders and no, this is stuff. This is nice. Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't feel the same thing because it's just no engines, right? I need to Bluetooth speakers. We need right? So, yep. Yep. Yeah, I'm still 2/3. 2/3 battery power, so we're okay. Yeah, it's kind of like a double track, single track slash. Well, clearly no vehicles go on it, and that's why you get the single track feel, right? So just people just walking it, trampling down on the ground, right? So. It's 1:15. Yeah, yeah. So. Sweet. So, anyways, I'm probably almost running out of battery on the.
You want to stop?
My Ace Pro 2. No, on my Ace Pro 2. So. This kind of gave you just a little glimpse of the different things and the different trails that there are in the Pickering Ajax region. So this is this the Trans-Canada Trail?
Yep.
This is also part of the Trans-Canada Great Trail there. So pretty cool, pretty fun. And it is also acceptable for EUCs and e-bikes and bicycles and joggers and stuff like that. Just no motorized gas power engines. But yeah, so gets you out here, gets you have some fun, and then there's all sorts of little trails on either side of it as well that you can kind of hit some single track and play for the day. So I definitely think we need a group of us to come here. We all bring our little lunch. We do a pot lunch kind of thing, right? And just have some fun for the day and just kind of get out. It took us 2 seconds to get to this trail from a parking lot, so that's a pretty cool thing as well, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, you can be in here for a very long time, I would have to say. So and we thought we were going to have some fun on a Trans-Canada Trail, which then ended up turning into like a single track here, playing with our EUCs. He's got the Apex and I got the Aeon from, oh yeah, do it. You got it. Hey, you got it. There you go. Yeah, now this is where we're going to get lost very easily because now you're turning into like multiple trails, right? So, oh, we got some signage, so that's not too bad, right? Trans-Canada Trail, Trans-Canada Trail. So it tells you this way and this way, right? So
back.
This way takes you back.
Okay.
And this way takes you further forward. You want to go
that way?
Is it?
No, but what is that?
I don't know. That's Rateville.
I think this, we were not on it. This is just kind of a side.
You think so?
Well, look, yeah.
I don't know.
You want me to check my phone?
Let's go this way.
I say we head back.
Okay, go this way?
If it's that way, you want me to check my phone quickly?
Yeah, check your phone. That's Rateville.
You crazy guy. Okay, so
out of range. There's mosquitoes here.
So to go north, we make a left. To go south, we make a right.
So that's right.
Yeah.
But depending on which way you're looking at it.
No, it's that way.
This way?
Yeah.
So this continues on.
This will take us back. If we hadn't cut through here and gone that way,
oh yeah,
we would have come.
Oh, okay.
I sound like I know what I'm talking about, but
I know it didn't even look like we kind of bunched off of the Trans-Canada Trail. It was weird. I guess because we took that little left and then it took us down to that single track. Then that's kind of like a branch off. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Tally ho and away we go.
It's gonna turn right again.
Is that it? Kind of loops around then? Ah.
Yeah, direction-wise, maybe that's why you're kind of.
Oh, interesting.
But yeah, it kind of turns right, and then we'll be going south. We're going east now, I think.
Woo! It's unfortunate that you can't come through here with like adventure bikes and stuff like that.
I kind of don't mind it. Like,
yeah, no.
You want some.
Gives us the privilege, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, like mature people probably be careful, but you know, you open
Yeah,
it
then
up
you
to
get
everyone
the
and
dum-dums
idiots
like
that
us.
rip through here. And, like we're you know.
Probably got a branch off somewhere.
See
Oh,
there.
there's the
just about
signage.
here.
Here we go. Perfect. Turn right. More single track. Ooh, I like single tracks.
You want to go in front of me?
Nope. No, I like looking at your dirty butt. So, and you kind of hold me back, so it keeps me being able to play for the next day without going stupid.
Yeah.
Right?
I need something lighter for this, but I also like the apex on the road. So it's
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to catch up to you in a second. You just keep going. 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go. You went right? Okay. Okay, there you are. Oh. Oh. Tree. Oh. Rup. Oh. Okay. Which way we got to go?
well, not there.
There's no. No?
No, I'm going that way.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
go left. We don't know. It doesn't say really, right?
It did. There was a sign back there.
Yeah. Okay. But it's not like we climbed up anything to get here, so I don't know. Very confusing. That's the problem. Is there's too many people break trail, and they get off of the trail, which then makes new trails, which then kind of gets which trail are we on now, right?
Yeah,
So.
I just go by direction. Like I think
Yeah.
I know I'm going south now,
Yeah.
so
We'll see. We got plenty of battery, plenty of daylight. Whoop. So.
should I do a map check or?
Yeah, you want to?
Okay, after that log there.
Yeah, I kind of keep going a bit. I'm telling you, we probably have to go down that thing, because we had to go down at the bottom of the hill, right? Where
Yeah, but that like we didn't go up it, so.
no,
why
I don't
would we
remember
go
kind of
down
going up it.
it? Yeah. Oh, that big. Yeah, I would remember. Okay, I'm just gonna do a check.
Yeah,
Here.
no problem. I'm gonna go pee-pee. I wonder if I can pee-pee on my EUC. Pee-pee at the same time as I EUC. It's an EUC, my pee. Yeah, because it's almost like as if that's a road down there.
Yeah, let's keep going, and then we'll hit Highway 7.
Oh, there's a big path there.
Yeah, let's keep going. So we need to make a right and another right.
Yeah, because there's a big path right down there.
Yeah.
But there you have it. EUC Riding 2026. Lots more to come. We will see you very soon as we get more units, and Sage will be tagging along on the next ride. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But until next time, y'all be safe, be good, have fun. But most importantly, don't forget, keep it covered. So, hi, bye-bye. Single track. Ooh. Getting into the woods. This is a sketchy area. The rapists are here. Pull your pants down. Pull those pants down, baby.
Crazy.